Catch the wave of the latest in e-commerce, an evolution that's transforming the world of online shopping and selling as we know it. Imagine an endless aisle of choices right at your fingertips, offering unprecedented convenience and variety. But wait, there's more. E-commerce also brings lower prices, making your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. This is the magic of technology, reshaping commerce and redefining possibilities. So, why is this important? It's the future knocking at our doors, inviting us to step into a world where shopping and selling are as easy as clicking a button. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the fascinating developments that are shaping our era, one click at a time. Uncover the secrets of e-commerce and discover how it's enabling a new world of convenience, variety, and affordability. It's not just about buying and selling, it's about the evolution of commerce, the revolution of choice, and the power of technology. So, are you ready to step into the future? Because the future is here, and it's called e-commerce. Welcome to the world of endless possibilities.